Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create a pixel stretch effect in Photoshop. Let's create the famous pixel stretch motion design. Select a thin area of your photo using the rectangular marquee tool. Now copy, paste and stretch it horizontally. Then set blend mode to overlay screen. Now duplicate and fade sections for smooth motion and add light streaks using motion blur and apply gradient for color harmony. The stretch pixels form a dynamic motion effect that makes portraits look trendy and energetic. Thanks for watching, and don't forget